What's up, guys? Gamer Gosh here, and welcome to the final cup of Mario Kart DS. We are doing the Lightning Cup. It is the final cup of the game, and it contains SNES Choco Island 2, N64 Banshee Boardwalk, GBA Sky Garden, and GCN Yoshi Circuit. I hate Choco Island 2. I hate this one. But I gotta do it. I gotta do it. We don't have to get a trophy, though. Excuse me. We don't have to get first on this, though. We can just get it. I do want to at least get third, of course, because again, you'll get to see the end credits. You know, I want y'all to see the end credits. You know what's crazy? I'm doing this fourth cup on the same day I did all the other cups, all the retro cups. This is literally the fourth cup I'm doing in this particular day. Like, I've only been playing this game for 31 minutes, and I made it this far, which is incredible. I'll take it. God. Okay. Okay, maybe this isn't that bad. You just gotta be careful. Who's in first? Mario? Okay. We'll take this red shell. It's probably not gonna hit him. Oh, it did hit him. Nice. I think it did. Yeah, it did. See, I don't know what is up with this part. It's so hard to... Okay, just throw that back. DK! Oh, nice. Blue shell. Okay, get out of here, Mario. And it's now me versus DK. Now it's truly me versus... Oh my god, this is intense. Okay, just go this way. Forget the item boxes. I wanted them, but who's in first? Oh my god. Dude, and these ramps... You know what? Better than nothing. On this track, I'm happy with that. That's fine. Now we got Banshee Boardwalk, which was in 64. Okay. Shouldn't be a problem, right? Let's find out. I don't know what's up with Choco Island, too, though. Like, what is up with the paths on that? Dude, if that hits Mario... Aw, I really was hoping it would... What did I get hit by? I didn't see what hit me. A green shell? Dude, I meant to throw it backwards. Oh my god, I actually thought that was a real one. Why did I think that was a real one? Oh, come on, dude. We can do better than that. Skip all the item boxes like that? Are you crazy? Oh, come on. What? Did I really? Oh, my lord. Dude, I am not doing so well. Yes, a star. Nice. I'll take it. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Yes, I got the star right when lightning happened. That is the perfect time for lightning to come. Yes. All right. Okay. Now we can make something happen. This music's kind of scary. This music's kind of scary. Ow. Why would you do that? Okay. Take it easy. Just take it easy. Did this stage get remade in any... I don't know if this stage got remade. I don't remember. Did it get remade? Again, I don't remember lots of the DLC packs in Mario Kart 8, so... It's gonna happen eventually. Is that the item I had? Okay, what is next? Okay, anything else? Dude, Dude, I was gonna say, I'm surprised I dodged all those bats with the ink, because that's insane. Because dodging all the bats isn't really that easy. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah. Alright, nice. Nice. Okay. Sweet. We got it. Okay. Whew, that wasn't that bad. Again, it's always at the second half of the second lap I do good on. I don't know why. This is such a squeaky chair. Okay, Sky Garden. Pretty. Pretty. Let's see if we can make something happen. We've got... Okay, this stage doesn't look too bad. I don't think that ramp should be there. Definitely not. I want a stage like this. Who got first on the first cup? Was it Mario? I think it was Mario. Oh my god. Okay, I'll admit some turns could be a little bit... I thought it was gonna fall off. That would have been all because of the lightning. I got 3 bananas, bananas. Whew. I mean, it would be nice to get first on this cup. I mean, overall. So I can just have every single golden trophy in this 150cc. That would be sweet. Because I've never done that before. I've never actually gotten... Oh, no, 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 no! Okay, is that a red shell? That is a red shell. Oh, nope, I'm not gonna get hit by that explosion. Man, that would have been so cool if that was the last lap. That would have been exciting, but apparently it had to go like that. I actually really like this track. It's kind of peaceful. It's just a nice, beautiful sky track. These turns, man, I'm telling you, they're not that easy. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Dude, that green shell. Where did you come from? Ain't no way. No! I touch the checkered flag, the checkered line, but you know, I got lucky because Mario got hit by the same explosion. If I would have failed there, this thing would have been thrown all the way over there. Yoshi Circuit. This is the last track. This is my home track. I am the Yoshi. I can do this. I hope. It would be nice to go out on this playthrough with all gold trophies on every single cup. Even though that wasn't intended to... Dude, I am really getting tired of missing item boxes. Like, it's so hard to do that. You know how hard it is doing that? It's like I'm going right in between. See? Look at that! How did I miss it? Stop doing that! Freaking bananas. No, I didn't mean to do that. Wow, it actually almost hit somebody. I didn't think it was going to. Toad. Yes, a star. I'll take it. That was pretty good. That was good. Okay, that was good. Give me something good. Okay, I'll take a banana. I'll take bananas. I'll take bananas. No, not a red shell. See, dude, that is infuriating. Like, why can't it just hit my banana? Like, God, why is that a thing? It's like they know they want you to get hit by red shells. Okay, it's alright. We're still doing alright. Okay, waiting for the right time to not gonna be the best time to throw that. Just throw that back. I don't need that. Give me some good. A green shell. Yay. Don't hit me. Blue shell. Yes. Ooh, almost hit the explosion, but we are good. Man, freaking lightning, and I got something really good again. It was probably like 3 bananas, though. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, nope, no, we're not good. Mario's coming after me. He's coming after me. But you're not gonna beat me! Yes! We did it! Holy crap! All gold trophies on every single cup. Yes! Nice, dude! We did it! Alright, we have done Mario Kart DS. This was a lot of fun. I actually had a lot of fun playing this game. I'm glad I finally got to play it. There are still a bunch of other Mario Kart games out there that I have to continue playing. There's still... I've done the original. I need to do Super Circuit. I don't want to do Super Circuit. 64 I can do. Double Dash I can do. So the credits are rolling. Mirror Class. I think that's what you get when you get all gold trophies. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. This playthrough has come to an end. However, at some point I do want to do all of the Mario Kart missions. All 7 of them. Maybe someday I will come back and do that. I'll see you all next time for some more Mario Eclipse. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. As always, peace.